highest motivation to improve the whole society. It's our integration in European Union and NATO. And we deserve really to get positive decision from European Union after all these positive examples what's happened in our country. We show huge European manner and behavior. We show to the Europe that we are really country who deserve to be candidate country and start negotiation with the European Union. After the agreement with Prespa, that was 17th of June last year, after the decision of the European Council last year, and after the invitation of NATO, there is new records through the economic parameters in our country. Foreign direct investment for 2018 are 624.5 million euro. It's a new record for our country. The best one was 2011 with 340 million euro. So double than the best year. We decrease unemployment in our country for 7.5% in the last 18 months. We increase the salary in our country for 6.2% in the last 18 months. We started 2 years ago with the growth of GDP minus 1.8. Now we finalized the 2018 with the increasing of GDP of 3.7%. That is increase of 5.5% for GDP. And the industry rise 8.8%. Our trade rise 16.5%. Example, with Greece, we have increasing the trade for 21%. With Bulgaria, 15% after the agreement. So my intention is to mention it and to share all of you. Our Vice President and our ministers will share more details connecting with that. That when there is agreement and positive behavior, even for sensitive issue, the economic results come immediately. We expect even better for the future. And that have positive impact to the whole region. And I believe that we will move in this direction. But we need you, businessmen, companies, because the government, the parliament, the politicians can preserve only conditions, and we do a lot in a political matter, through the dialogue, through the diplomacy, to be a good example for the whole Southeastern Europe, but also to motivate you to find a way how to make profit in our country.